Hello everyone, please check this pump installation together. This installation, it is not a good installation because of the pump connection. We check the connections point, the nuts and the belongs are not a standard. They didn't use the good washers. They use a very thin washer, so it is very easy to damage. And look at the rubber. This kind of rubber is not acceptable because when we try to do the alignment, it is not easy to do because the alignment, it is the specific only 0.5 millimeters that we can accept, so the rubber will easy to move. We should use the steel. We don't need the rubber like this because it's not easy to do the alignment. They try to do the alignment, but it's not follow the spec of the alignment procedure. So I recommend them to remove this rubber instead by using the steel.